This is how to set any song as a ringtone on your iPhone for free using just your phone. Let's get started. In order to do this, you'll need the free GarageBand app. If you don't have it, don't worry. Go to the App Store, click at the bottom search, and just type in GarageBand right there. And once you do that, there it is. You can download it. As you see, I already have it, so I'm going to click Open. And once again, you'll see that this is only in landscape mode. So in the top right, I'll click the plus for microphone. I want to click on the squares right here. Next, I want to click on this loop right here. And what I'm going to do is click on music at the top. And then I'm going to go into songs. Once you find a song you want, just long press it. And it will actually add it to your timeline. And then from here, you can search and you can squeeze in with your fingers to shorten the length. And then I can pull this in or out and determine what part of the song that I want to use. And just remember that ringtones can only be 30 seconds long. So if you pick shorter than that, it won't work. But if you pick longer, it'll just take the first 30 seconds. Next, tap here on the down arrow and then click My Songs. It'll take a few seconds to save. Once it does, long press and then scroll down and click on Share right there and then tap Ringtone. It just tells you it can only be 30 seconds and it will be adjusted. Tap Continue. From here, I'm gonna put my song and 2 just so I have a different one. And when you're done, click Export. It'll take a few seconds to export. From here, click OK. To get out of GarageBand while holding your phone sideways in landscape, scroll up from the bottom, and that will close it out. Tap on Settings, tap on Sounds and Haptics. From here, go down to Ringtone, and from here, scroll all the way to the top, and right there is My Song 2, and if I tap that, the check mark means it's now my active ringtone.